This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Masjid Al Athan frame. First, begin by attaching the stand to the back of the frame for stable placement. Next, connect the power adapter to the frame and then to a wall outlet. Locate the silver power switch on the back and turn it to the on position. The device will then begin to power on, and you should see the initial loading screen within a minute or two, preparing for the next steps. Once powered on, the next crucial step is connecting to your home Wi-Fi network. Swipe down from the top of the screen to reveal the settings menu. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon, then select your desired network from the available options. Carefully input your Wi-Fi password. If you encounter any connection issues, double-check your password for accuracy or ensure your router is not blocking the device, which can sometimes happen with new connections. With your frame connected to the internet, you can now configure prayer times. You have two main options: sync with masjid or standalone mode. If you choose to sync, your frame will display times from a registered local masjid. For standalone use, it is essential to select your precise time zone from the extensive list provided. This ensures that all 5 daily prayer times are calculated and displayed accurately for your specific location. Your Athan frame offers several customization options. You can upload custom Athan audio files by inserting a USB drive into the frame and selecting them through the settings. Additionally, connect Bluetooth speakers for enhanced audio by enabling Bluetooth in the settings and pairing your device. If you experience any issues, a simple restart often helps. Unplug the power, turn off the silver switch, wait for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn the switch on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.